Well, hello, my mad scrappers. I am back. Just real quick, because you've heard me talk about it. I'm sure you've heard other content creators talk about it. So I'm going to seriously keep this short and sweet. I just wanted to come by and give you a heads up that the Card Makers Success Summit kicks off this Wednesday. Whoa, yay! This event, again, I'm going to remind you, this totally epic event is free and packed with over 30 speakers, guys, 30 awesome speakers. And we're all ready to show you how to totally nail your holiday card making projects. And seriously, we all want that, right? I know I need help. I'm still trying to figure out what the heck I've got to do. So let's figure it all out together. But in my case, at least I have a little bit of insight for you, and I'm going to be sharing it on how to take the stress out of distressing a holiday card. I'm going to be on August 11th, 5:30 p.m. and I'm just really excited about it. But not only am I excited about that, but I'm excited about all the other speakers that are going to be on. I mean, we're talking about totally incredible experts like Aaron Reed and Justine Hovey and Daniel West. I cannot believe I'm amongst these people presenting at this. That is just like epic. I'm so excited. Anyway, I'm going to remind you, each presentation is going to be available for 24 hours. But if you want immediate and ongoing access, plus some pretty cool bonuses, okay, I'm going to tell you, they're just really awesome. You're going to want to snag the VIP All Access Pass, okay, guys? And that's how you support us as the presenters and our channels, because otherwise we have all agreed to do this free. And we are not getting paid for it. We are doing this all out of the goodness of our cold black hearts, because we just want to share the creativity with you. That's why we're all out here. All all us creators are out here just wanting to share our passion, okay? But if you want to support us, then use, whether it's mine or any of the other ones, use our affiliate links. My affiliate link for the event will be down in the description box below, okay? You can find it there. Go ahead and sign up no matter what. Sign up, even because remember, I started by reminding you, is free. Free, free. The whole thing is free. You'll have access for 24 hours, but if you want to have it for longer, you want to save some of this stuff, then you're going to want to get the All Access VIP pass, which is going to be at a special price before the summit, okay? Hey, you got any questions about the summit or the VIP All Access pass? Go ahead, just hit me up in the comments or send me an email. My email address is in the description box below, and I'll be happy to answer any questions. I am super duper looking forward to seeing all of you that I know, all of you that I don't know, and all of you that I'm going to meet. I'm so excited. All right, guys. So don't forget, get your free ticket to the Card Maker Success Summit, and I'm going to catch you at the summit. All right. Meanwhile, don't ever forget, we are all a little mad here. So come on, let's all craft the madness at the Card Maker Success Summit. All right. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye.